There are 4 pillars to build a strong financial house. The first pillar is liquidity and cash. Liquidity means ano yung magiging pera agad. Bakit importante na maging pera agad? Panggastos today or panggastos bukas? Today. So when we talk about the first pillar, lahat yan panggastos today. Standard of living today, pang tuition today, pang bayad sa bahay today. Lahat for today. May second pillar, and that is accumulation and investments. Merong tinatawag na inflation. Importante, you put your money in something that meets or beats inflation para kayang sagutin yung mga panggastos kailan? Ngayon o bukas? Bukas. Third pillar is protection, income and health protection. Ang next pillar to consider is wealth transfer. Ang wealth transfer is making sure na lahat ng pinundar mo today at balak mong ipundar bukas, madaling malilipat sa heirs. Pag walang life insurance, mamimili yung tao, anong gagalawin ko? Yung panggastos ko today or yung panggastos ko bukas? Pero kung may enough life and health insurance, hindi magagalaw ang panggastos today at panggastos bukas. On track siya. Hindi magagalaw yung funds that the client is building for retirement and future education. Hindi tayo nagsistrengthen ng Pillar 1 and Pillar 2. Ang pillar na sinistrengthen natin is the third and fourth pillar.